Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you some things that might be causing your sound on Snapchat to not be working. They are easy fixes, so let's go ahead and get started. So say you open up Snapchat and you start looking at people's stories over here, and then you notice that there's no sound on them. So there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. So you want to swipe down at the bottom right of your screen, and then you just want to turn off the little mic button, or not the mic button, but the Bluetooth button. And this will get rid of any kind of connection with any kind of device in your room. This could be speakers, headphones, whatever it may be, because sometimes you don't even realize that it might be connected to a different device. I've done this many times myself, and I couldn't figure out what it was until I finally thought about this. Another way you could do this is if you turn off privacy mode. Sometimes when you have it on, this is a little moon where it says focus, but sometimes when you have it on, it might turn off the audio. And finally, you could just turn off the airplane mode off and on, or on and off. And then sometimes this could reset some things on your phone and also disconnect from a device if you keep on getting connected to this one device. And that's how you can fix your sound on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make any new videos, and I'll see you in the next one.